Alrighty, so got the new axle seals in. Just did that one there. That one was leaking. So we got the gear set in there. Everything's torqued up, all clean. Cleaned the face of that. Cleaned the face of this. And we also have the new rotors. They look really nice. So next is going to be putting the pads and putting the calipers back on and putting a new seal. Putting this new seal on the diff cover, and should be good to go. Also wanted to show you guys, I took some pictures of the cat axle system. It's pretty cool how it's got separate pieces, and that little sleeve there is what locks the axle to spin it all together or when it disconnects. And then here's some pictures of the inside. I didn't film any of this because I had really no idea what I was doing, just kind of working it as I was doing it, so that's why there's no video, but figured I'd take some pictures for you. Alrighty, just finished up. As well as diff covers all buttoned up. Rotor and pad on this side. So yeah, now we just gotta throw the wheels on and we're good to go. Working on the Cherokee again. It's starting to not run well for me, so we're gonna try one more air idle control valve, see if this will do the trick, and then I'm also gonna clean a guy, Nick and Time. He does Cherokee videos and things like that, and he had just cleaned out some of the connectors. So I'm gonna try cleaning some of the connectors, see if that helps me. But first we'll take out the air idle control valve here. Using a new camera, so you guys will have to let me know what you think. Never used it before, so we'll see how this footage turns out. Okay. And then there. A new one here. The gasket's definitely bigger, so I'm gonna swap the gaskets. Seems to be an issue with these. Okay, go ahead and connect that back up. Let's go ahead and plug these suckers without breaking them. I'm thinking maybe it could be the coil, but we shall see. Let's take this guy off too. Just clean as much as we can, you know. Interesting. Okay, let's go ahead and see if she'll start. Seems to be running okay, but I'm gonna take it down the road and see how it goes. far so good. I think that's fixed. We'll see here though. Alrighty guys, so that's going to do it for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. That helps me out a bunch. And we'll see you guys in the next video.